based on this, on the basis of this class, we conducted a small study to explore in what ways the social networking environment can support students' engagement in learning. And data was collected through online observation, analysis of artifacts created by students, and interview and a questionnaire. Now I'd like to share our findings in these studies. In terms of support of cognitive engagement, seeing students' meaning making from interaction with course content and other students. Most of students appear to agree that blog was the most useful features of the social networking environment. From their perspectives, blog enabled them to archive learning materials, post reflections, and share work and ideas, and receive feedbacks from teachers and other students. Furthermore, students reported that they actively seek information in social networking environment and often reflected upon what they have learned because they can access to multiple perspectives of others. Similar findings that blog can effectively support students' learning was suggested by our previous studies. For the support of social dimension of engagement, students agree that social networking environment was an effective communication medium. They could interact with others through responding to posts and comments, sharing resources, creating community space, and working on collaborative tasks, and selecting friends and friends of a friend. Students believe that their learning was better because their online interaction with others. This environment enabled the students and the facilitator to be more supportive and provide them a sense of belonging to the class community. We also asked students in what ways their positive feelings and enjoyment toward the learning process and atmosphere were related to using the social networking environment. Students reported the social networking environment allowed them to take responsibility of their own learning, and they were able to express emotion and receive emotional responses from others, and they appeared motivated by awareness that other class members would see their work and give feedbacks, and they are willing to use this environment to support their learning in the future. We summarize the strengths of the social networking environment as a platform for learning. Social networking environment may serve as a medium of knowledge construction because it can constantly engage students in content creation and collaboration, and social networking environment enables students to take greater control of our learning and be active stakeholders of their learning. And social networking environment can encourage self-expression and promoting social presence and feelings of intimacy in virtual space. And it also can facilitate communication, collaboration, and sharing among students and teachers. In addition to strengths, based on our study, we found several limitations of such an environment for learning. Some of them may only due to the platform we selected. First of all, because ELGG is an open source software, we spent much time on tracking and resolving the bugs of the software. Secondly, the functionality of students' administration of ELGG is very weak. More functions should be designed and developed to help teachers manage the content on the students. Thirdly, social networking environment is a distributed online environment, and following up students' learning activities in such an environment is time-consuming for teachers and require additional effort and strategies. Lastly, in this study, we found that the social networking environment is not difficult to use for students, but it appeared that they are not well understand how to use these different Web 2 technologies to support their all learning and collaborative learning, unless directed by the facilitator to do something specific with these tools. At present, this social networking environment is used in a broadening undergraduate course, New Literacies for the 21st Century. We will continue our study and explore how social networking environment supports student learning in various contexts and with a larger number of participants. And we aim to develop a set of recommendations of effective educational applications of social networking and other Web 2 technology. That's all. Thank you.